Welcome to the My Channel Global Car. Where luxury meets innovation and the future of driving comes to life. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on the most exclusive and futuristic cars in the world. Today, we dive into the elegance and cutting-edge innovation of the 2025 Keyvany Rolls-Royce, a masterpiece that redefines ultra-luxury motoring for a new era. Keyvany, known for its unique customizations and futuristic design interpretations, has collaborated with Rolls-Royce to create a model that goes beyond imagination. From the first glance, the 2025 Keyvany Rolls-Royce commands attention with its sleek, sculpted bodywork and signature spirit of ecstasy, now reimagined with a digital light pulse effect. The exterior is a blend of deep crystal lacquer and adaptive light elements that change tone with ambient surroundings, a true symbol of futuristic design. Underneath the artistic design is a fully electric powertrain, built on Rolls-Royce's new Silent Drive platform, delivering over 700 horsepower. The acceleration is instant and whisper quiet, taking you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. Yet, true to its heritage, the drive remains smooth, refined, and commanding. Inside, the cabin is an immersive sanctuary. Keyvany's touch is clear in the handcrafted materials: a carbon-infused wood, soft ambient lighting, and eye-powered comfort systems that learn your preferences over time. The panoramic display stretches across the dashboard, blending infotainment, navigation, and luxury in one seamless interface. The 2025 Keyvany Rolls-Royce also introduces autonomous luxury. With Level 4 self-driving capabilities, the car can handle most routes on its own while maintaining the unmistakable grace Rolls-Royce is known for. Whether you're in the driver's seat or reclining in the rear,